Got my Chevy up on these ramps and everything. I'm using a different camera this time. This one's supposed to be 1080p full HD. This video is about the connecting rod knock. I guess I'm going to start taking this thing apart a little bit. Take a look inside, see what's wrong with it. Today I'm going to pull off the valve cover and everything and see if the rockers are loose. Then eventually I'll have to take the engine out to get to the oil pan, because it's got this kind of cross member thing in the way, and it doesn't look like I can remove that. So I have to separate the engine from the trans and pull the whole engine out. This is going to be kind of difficult because I don't really have any space right there. There's no space to move the car back further, so I'm not sure what I'll do about that. I can't have the car sticking out halfway out the garage, but I'll figure out something.